Yeah, this is the paint I used on the rotors. It's got a primer built in it. I was in a hurry. I did clean them with brake clean before I started painting. It would have probably been better off if I'd used like a self-etching primer, then put a paint on it. But let's see how this paint, this stuff sprays really good. Let's see how long it lasts. Okay, today we're going to work on the front brakes. I got new calipers and rotors. Got these new Brake Best Select Pro pads, really nice looking pads. Got bearings and seals. Got new lines for hoses for it. Went ahead and painted the rotors up there to cut down a little bit of rust. But we go ahead and get this thing jacked up. We'll get a front wheel off and start working on that.